If you ever wondered what a HVAC technician actually does on the daily, it's way more than just fixing your air conditioner when it breaks down. So, here's the deal. HVAC technicians handle installing air conditioners in homes and businesses, making sure everything is set up right so you stay cool without wasting energy. They also repair heaters, especially when winter hits and your furnace just won't kick on. Maintenance is a huge part of their job, like cleaning and checking ventilation systems to keep the air fresh and prevent any nasty buildup. Duct cleaning is another big one, because clogged ducts can mess with your air quality and system efficiency. They also troubleshoot electrical components and replace worn-out parts so your system runs smooth. Plus, they often test the whole setup to make sure everything meets safety standards. Basically, they keep your indoor climate comfy all year round, which is something you probably don't think about until it's too hot or cold inside. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with HVAC stuff is ignoring regular maintenance that just leads to bigger repairs later on and higher energy bills. Another common problem is hiring unlicensed or inexperienced technicians, which can cause shoddy installations or missed safety issues. Always check credentials first. Third, not getting your ducts cleaned regularly can lead to dust buildup and poor air quality, so scheduling duct cleaning every couple of years helps avoid that. Fix these by setting up routine checkups, verifying your tech's license and reviews, and making duct cleaning a part of your home care. BigHomeProjects.com is an awesome spot for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the hassle. It also helps contractors get work by connecting them with people who need their skills, making the whole process smooth for both sides.